Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 11. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, I express my gratitude to the honorable members for the keen interest they had taken in the whole matter and for the many valuable suggestions they have made. Unfortunately, in the limited time at my disposal, I will not be able to refer to every point which has been raised by the honorable members, but I can assure the House through you that all the suggestions which have been made will be given full consideration by the government. I would like to take up some common points which have been stressed by a very large number of my honorable friends here. The first point that has been stressed by a very large number of members deals with the question of the care of expectant mothers and the care and particularly the nutritional care of smaller children up to the age of 6. There is no doubt that this is the most important period in the life of any human being, and any lack of effort in this age group can have very serious consequences when the child grows into adulthood. For this purpose, Education Ministry, in close collaboration with the Ministry of Health, Agriculture, and obviously with the cooperation of the state governments, has started the Integrated Child Development Services, which aim at all these points that have been emphasized. The concept of integrated child development services has been explained by us before, but I would crave your indulgence to explain again in a few minutes the main concept of the integrated child development services. It starts with the question of nutrition and health care of expectant mothers. Then there is a full fledged program of immunization, which certainly includes the triple vaccination. Along with this, there is the question of regular health checkup, referral services, nutrition supplementing measures, and the diet and preschool, non formal, and informal education. We consider it absolutely essential that children of the age group 3 to 6, and particularly those belonging to the weaker sections of the community, should be provided with such care so that they can develop proper attitudes and motivations, and also their character formation is influenced in a healthy direction. For this purpose, we propose to set up centers as far as possible in close proximity of a primary school to involve elder children, especially girls, to participate in the looking after of the younger babies as a part of their work experience. Stop.